So, chapter 8.4, first example, diameter of a circle is 4 inches, 4.00 inches. Find the radius of the circle, then find the circumference of the circle, round to 3 significant digits. So, first off, circles. We have several formulas for circumference of a circle. Circumference either equals 2 pi times the radius or pi times the diameter. Area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. So those are your formulas you need for a circle. We're dealing with a two-dimensional circular object. It tells us the diameter is 4 inches, so find the radius of the circle. Okay, so first off, the diameter is equal to 4.00 inches. The diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. So if we want to find the radius of the circle, I'm going to change d into 2r. So 2r equals the diameter of 4. Divide both sides by 2. The radius of this circle is going to be 2.00 inches. It does say round to 3 significant digits. It didn't specify which to round, so I'm going to round them both to 3 significant digits. So you can see that the diameter was given in 3 sig figs, 4, and then the 0.00 after the decimals. Those unnecessary zeros after a decimal are significant if they're drawn. So that's 3 sig figs, 2.00 is 3 sig figs. So now we're going to find the circumference of the circle. And again, we found the radius, so maybe they want to use this formula. I could have used the pi d formula to start off with, doesn't matter. I'm just going to use pi d. So circumference equals pi times diameter. Okay. So I want to use the pi button on my calculator when I'm evaluating circle stuff, not 3.14. So I want more accuracy. 3.14 is an approximation for pi. The actual value of pi is much more elaborate than that. So you can see that 3.14 is what it rounds to, but 3.14159.265, it goes on forever and ever and ever and ever. I mean, if you have a calculator, I think the computer calculator, let me just do that real quick. Let's go scientific on this thing and see what happens. Here's the pi button here. It goes more decimal places. Again, that's just 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 20, 31 digits of pi there, but 31 decimal places. But again, pi goes on forever and ever and ever. There is no pattern to the digits. Certain mathematicians have theorized that maybe there's some patterns, but they can't ever find a pattern in those digits of pi. So, if I'm using the pi button on my calculator and I type in pi times 4.00 equals, comes out to 12.56637.061. Okay, so if I want to round my final answer of circumference to 3 significant digits, there's 3 digits, right? And if I round the 5, because the 6 afterwards is 5 or bigger, I'm going to round it up. So the circumference rounded to 3 significant digits is going to be 12.6 inches. You can see that all 3 digits, 1, 2, and 6, are significant because they're not 0. And the only questionable digit for significance is 0. So 3 decimal places, or sorry, 3 digits significant would be that.